What's your biggest fear in life? When I asked this question, one of the person on Instagram sent me this message. Being average. Middle is way too crowded in growing economies like India. And that's correct because India does have a problem with a massive population, right? Everybody complains about it. No matter whom you speak to, the first thing that they mention is, whatever you do in India, it's not enough because there are just so many people. And that's also correct because you just have so many people in one single country that no matter how good you are in that particular thing, there are always going to be more people just by the sheer probability of it, just by the chance that if you have 1% people doing something really good in a particular field, you will find a lot more of those people in India versus in any other country. And this is the reason I say one of the best things you can do in these kind of scenarios is just simply moving out to a place where you have a little bit more of a breathing room, where you are able to develop your skills better. Because if you go from a country which has 1.4, 1.6 billion people to a country which just has 80 million people, and you go and you establish your life there, and you're a little bit smart in your home country, you'll be much smarter in that country just because of the sheer probability of it. You do something better, you do your masters, you do your bachelor's, whatever, and then afterwards you start doing a job. The thing is, many people think about coming to Germany for their studies. You have to know that even in Germany, not everybody is doing a bachelor's or master's. The people who do bachelor's or master's, they're amongst the ones who are actually paid very nicely. So even if you're not able to earn above average salaries in India with your bachelor's or master's, with your bachelor's or master's in Germany, you'd be able to earn much more than the average in Germany would, and anyways much more than what you would be earning in India. And this is the reason why most of the people go to US, go to Canada, go to Germany, because they want to search for a better life. They want to build a better life for themselves. And the chances of being average in that country is again lower, because as soon as you move, either you'd be better off or you'd be worse off. There is not going to be an average again because you're putting yourself in a new situation. So this is the reason I really say that if you feel like this is just unnecessary stress that you're putting yourself through by being in a particular place, by doing a particular job, by being in a specific surrounding, just move and find a better place for yourself, because it can either get better or it can get worse. It will not stay the same. Whenever things change, you will again try to do something better. You will try to make something better out of your life. And this is the reason, change your surroundings. Once you change your surroundings, you will not be in the average again.